Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, so I'm going to work my other vlogs. Please go watch them. Thank you. Just finished dressing up. I'm going to show you guys my outfit. Let me go to my mirror. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing these pants from Duce. Definitely, if I tell you how much I got this pant, and it's very, very clean. I usually tailor most of my pants, but getting my size is actually hard. You can see the back view. It does not have pockets, but most of my trousers have pockets, the ones I tailored, and my shirt. So I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to get quality clothes in Abuja. If you want to learn that, comment below. If you don't already know, just comment below, then I'll do a video on that. So I'm off to work.
If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here, my life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire. Yeah, yeah.